Today's daily cipher answer is very easy. First of all, we need to open hamster combat. Then remember to click three times at tap and this is the one. 1, 2, 3. So today's answer is web 3. The first word is W. So dot, long press, then one dot for E. Then for B we need long press, dot, and then next we need number. This time we are using number 3. So 3 dots and 2 long press. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we get the answer web 3. So for those of you who want to get these codes saved, all you need to do is go to your browser, get the international Morse code. So this is what you'll get. These are the codes here. There are many options available. So all you need to do is to select any website of your choice, and here you will find your codes. Here you will get the letters. Here you will get the numbers and the punctuation mark. These are the sign you need. All you need to do is go and visit the website and you'll get all the codes that you required for to crack this cipher daily answer. So I'm gonna give you this code for you to note it down. So thank you for watching.